A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers and Mission IBPS AFO welcomes you to this video. And a week has been gone. We are in the other Sunday of May. And in this video, we are going to see the agriculture current affairs between 16th of May to 22nd of May 2021. Before getting into the video, I want to insist you something which I have said already. Reading current affair is an art because going as such like you are reading your subject doesn't work out in case of your current affair, because in subject you have a touch over years, but in case of current affair everything will happen new in every day. So you have to remember it by noting it down with your pen and reading it once or twice a day and revising it once or twice a week. And this will help you to remember all the things that had happened. I hope you will be getting me. And come on, let's get into the video. Very firstly, our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, releases the 8th installment of funds to the beneficiaries under PM Kisan scheme. In this, 20 lakh new farmers will start getting PM Kisan benefits as West Bengal newly joins this PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. Let's go in detail. Yes, our Prime Minister has released the 8th installment of funds to the beneficiaries under PM Kisan scheme. Around 20,667 crore Indian national rupee was distributed to around 9.5 crore beneficiaries in the 8th installment. For the first time, the farmers in West Bengal joined the PM Kisan scheme, and around 7 lakh Bengal farmers received their first installment this time. And about the PM Kisan scheme, it was launched by our PM on 24th of February 2019 at Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, and it is important to remember the year, the date and the place where it is launched at first. And it is a central sector scheme, that is, it is 100% funded by the central government, and the main objective of this scheme is to supplement the income of farmers by providing income support to all the farmer families irrespective of their land holdings. You have to remember, you should not be a small or marginal farmer to receive this benefit. It is given to all the farmers irrespective of their size of land holding. Coming to the financial benefit, an amount of Indian national rupee 6,000 per year is provided to the eligible beneficiaries in 3 equal installments at a 4-month interval of INR 2,000 each. And then Manipur CM Mr. Byron Singh launched MoMA Market mobile app for vegetable delivery. Let's go in detail. Manipur CM launched MoMA Market mobile application to solve the issues of home delivery of fresh vegetables. The application was introduced by the Manipur Organic Mission Agency under the Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Manipur. You have to remember the application name and the state in which it is launched. And then MCCIA and then NABARD launch India's first agriculture export facilitation center in Pune, Maharashtra. Yes, Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, Industries and Agriculture, in partnership with NABARD, that is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, has launched India's first agriculture export facilitation center in Pune. And next, World Agri-Tourism Day is celebrated on 16th of May every year. Let's go in detail. Yes, World Agri-Tourism Day is annually observed across the globe on 16th of May to promote agriculture tourism. The day aims to educate the tourist on how agricultural activities are done in the farms. And this 16th May 2021 marks the 14th World Agri-Tourism Day, in which International Conference on Agri-Tourism has been organized by the Department of Tourism, Government of Maharashtra and Agri-Tourism Development Corporation. And the theme of this conference is Rural Women Sustainable Entrepreneurship Opportunities through Agri. And then on this day, World Agri-Tourism Awards 2021 were distributed. On the occasion of World Bee Day and in the auspicious context of Azadika Amrit Mahotsav, Union Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Shri Narendra Singh Tomar has launched the project of setting up of a honey testing laboratory at IARI, Pusa, New Delhi. Coming to the World Bee Day, the theme of World Bee Day 2021 is Be Engaged, Build Back Better for Bees. You have to remember the theme, it is important, and you also need to remember the day. It is May 20. And then the facts include fruits and vegetables like watermelon, pumpkin, tomato, aubergine, papaya, orange, lime, strawberry, apple, mango, and many more depend directly or indirectly on the bees for pollination. That is, your cross-pollinated crops are highly dependent of this honeybee for your pollination and fertilization, etc. And then, to achieve self-sufficiency in edible oils, Union Government formulates Kharif Strategy 2021. In this strategy, Union Government distributes high-yielding variety of seeds to the farmers. More than 8 lakh soybean mini kits and 74,000 groundnut mini kits to be distributed under this Kharif strategy. And then this Kharif strategy 2021 will bring an additional 6.37 lakh hectare area under oil seeds. It is mainly to create self-reliance, that is Atmanirbhar, in this oil seeds. And finally, it is the International Tea Day. The International Tea Day is celebrated on 21st of May every year. The UN's International Tea Day is annually observed across the globe on 21st of May to celebrate the cultural heritage, health benefits, and economic importance of the tea. The observance of the International Tea Day is led by the Food and Agricultural Organization of the UN. And with this, the video comes to an end. And I insist you again, write down everything with your own handwriting, throw hints in the way you understand, remember, and revise it without any complication. And you'll be having only just 20 days in between the prelims and mains. Reading all the things such as subject, farmers friendly handbook, NABARD bankable project, and current affairs, everything in that short time is completely ridiculous. So I'll be having only the time to revise. So read it properly when there is enough time and write it down, revise every day. Reading is important, but revising will help you to keep the thing in mind forever. Okay? Read, revise, practice. And this is the mantra I'll provide you. And I close with this. And try to follow the things that I've mentioned. And thank you for all your supports. And do subscribe our channel for our next earliest updates by tapping on the bell icon. See you all again. Thank you.